Hey everyone, Julie Heath here. It's me again. This is going to be an update on the bill that we are pushing in California, AB 2578. We need your help. We need a lot of help. And if you are hearing this right now, you can help. There are several different ways that you're able to assist us in this fight by going to nightingale.edu/advocacy. Go there now after this video and fill out every single thing you can. Your friends and your family can fill out this information and how it affects them. We need as many voices as we can get. So please help us. Go to nightingale.edu/advocacy and fill out every single part of that that you can. Part of it is a letter to your senator. Part of it is family and friends can fill out information and how this affects them. And part of it is tweeting. We want to get the word out to as many people as possible. We don't exactly know the date of the hearing, but we do know that it's coming up very soon. Today is June 5th, and it may be the 17th, possibly. So keep an ear out. I will update as much as I can, as soon as I can, with the exact date and time and location of the hearing. Please, please, if you are in the Sacramento area or within 50 miles of it, or however far you are and you want to be a part of this, this is the fight of our lives, people. This is a big fight, and we are getting a lot more opposition this time around. And so we need your help. If you can and are willing and are able to show up in person, I would love that. We would all love that. We would love to see you there. Please let us know. So you can reach me on Teams or email. I will put my email address in the description. You can reach me by Teams, but please, please come and help if you are able to. And if you're not able to, or if you can't come that day, you can help by going to nightingale.edu/advocacy and fill out every single thing that you can. Letter to your senator, have your family and friends fill out the information of why it affects them. And you can also tweet or put it on Facebook or spread the word in other ways, Instagram, any way you can. AB 2578 is the bill. We need this to pass because otherwise we have no chance of getting into California, and we need to get into California. I need to get into California. I'm very hopeful that this will pass, and I will be speaking again on behalf of our school, and along with our CEO and Blake and a few others. We need your help though. So please, please fill out all of the information on nightingale.edu/advocacy. Go there. I'll put the link in the description as well to make it a little bit easier, but spread the word as far and wide as you can. This is a huge fight. We have a lot of opposition this time, and so we need your help. So get on board and fight alongside us. And hopefully, if you are in the Sacramento area, I will see you at the Capitol.